Today, we are talking about the #1 mistake you might be making that could hurt your credit score. Let's find out what it is. Now, everyone knows the importance of paying their bills on time so that they don't damage their credit score. And try to make it a habit, at the very least, to pay the minimum payments on their credit cards by the due date. Sure, interest will be charged, but at least the credit score won't suffer from overdue payment reports to the credit bureaus. Now, the #1 thing that people overlook in their bill payment process is actually their cell phone bill. A cell phone account is an open account and is structured differently from the way that credit cards are. There is no minimum payment or paying half the bill now and half the bill next month. Each month, the bill must be paid in full to avoid potential credit consequences. And you might be thinking, hey, it's such a small bill, it's not a big deal, I don't really need to worry about this, and that makes sense, believe me. I've forgotten about bills before because they were small and I had more important things to worry about. And luckily, I would pay them off when I got that email reminder that told me that they were almost past due. However, for the same reason you think it's not a big deal, lenders actually think it's a really big deal. Because when they look at your file and see that you have a late or delinquent payment on your cell phone bill, they're gonna be thinking to themselves, if you can't even pay or manage a cell phone bill, how are you going to pay a $2,000 or $3,000 mortgage? I have seen people be directly affected by this before when they were applying for loans. Even if you're disputing a cell phone bill, it's probably better to pay the bill and avoid the credit hit. If you win the dispute, you'll get a credit on your next bill anyway. And if you'll lose, you'll have to pay it anyway. It beats having to deal with the credit agencies and trying to remove that negative entry from your record. And it doesn't matter if you agree with this or not. You're the one trying to borrow money, so you need to play by their rules. Fortunately, there is a very easy fix to this. Just have your cell phone bill paid automatically via a credit card or directly from your bank account, and you'll avoid this problem in the future. Have you had something seemingly stupid affect your credit score? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and check out my other content. I'll see you again soon.